Welcome to all SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. Online lecture series, first year engineering. I am Assistant Professor Ahir Ma'am from first year department and course Engineering Physics. Today we will discuss about types of laser. So first we will discuss about gas laser. In gas laser, most widely used lasers and most varied lasers are low power means helium neon laser to high power CO2 lasers. These lasers are operated with rarefied gases as active medium excited by electric discharge. And neutral atom lasers are helium neon lasers. So let's see types of lasers. Ion lasers. So which type of lasers we will used? Argon lasers, krypton ion lasers, helium cadmium lasers, copper vapor laser, gold vapor laser. So and in molecular lasers, carbon dioxide lasers. We also used excimer lasers and chemical lasers. So first we will discuss about schematic of gas lasers. On the screen you can see diagram of gas lasers. There are in one side rear mirror are there. In middle there are discharge tube having. Next output mirror, laser beams, electric discharge, and we have to join power supply. In gases, energy level of atoms involved in lasing actions are well defined and narrow. Broad pump bands does not exist. Gas contained in a tube with cavity mirrors. In this gas laser there are cavity mirrors are there. A high DC voltage ionizes the gas for conduction. Then electrons in the discharge transfer energy to an atoms in the gas by collision. For optimum operation in a practice, laser medium contains a mixture of two gases A and B. In helium neon laser, there are two gases are there. One is helium neon, and in CO2, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nitrogen. Atoms of a kind A are initially excited by electrons impact and transfer their energy to atoms of a second gas which are actually active centers. Cavity mirrors can be either inside the gas container or outside. Cavity mirrors are placed in the inside of the gas chamber or outside of the gas chamber. If inside, suppose if we cavity mirrors inside the gas chamber, the output light is generally unpolarized. And if we placed cavity mirrors outside, then the mirror placed at a Bristol angle, then we get polarized light. Gas lasers vary widely in characteristics. Let's see characteristics. Output wavelength from UV to far IR regions. This is the characteristics. Operates in pulse mode and some in CW modes. And output power of gas laser is less than a milliwatt to over 10 kilowatt. The first gas laser is developed helium neon laser. This helium neon laser in 1961 at Bell Telephone Labs in USA. And this is helium neon laser. First gas laser ever developed. This is the first gas laser developed. Helium neon consists of 4-layer pumping scheme. The active medium, then 10 part of helium and 1 part of neon. Neon atoms as the active centers then have energy level suitable for laser transition. Helium atoms help efficient excitation of neon atoms. This is the diagram of helium neon laser. cathode and anode are present, then glass window, rarer medium, output mirror, and laser beam having wavelength is 6328 degree angstrom. Discharge tube of about 30 cm long, 1.5 cm in diameter. This discharge tube filled with a mixture of helium and neon gases. The ratio is 10:1. If we put 10 helium atoms are there, then we have to add one neon atom. Electrodes connected to high voltage, then nearly about 10 kilovolt to produce discharge in gas. Electrons and ions accelerated towards anode and cathode. Electrons being smaller in mass acquired higher velocity. In helium neon laser there are 4-level pumping scheme. The helium atoms are excited to ground energy level to higher energy level. Then these helium atoms energy transfer through atomic collision and get neon gases. Neon atoms are present in excited state, then the population inversion are there, then these neon atoms gets down to the energy level 5 and energy level 3. Some atoms are discharged in energy level 5, some atoms discharged in energy level 3. These when atoms are goes to E5 level, then these atoms release 3.39 micrometer energy, and the atoms goes to higher energy level to E3 level. These atoms have emit energy 6328 degree angstrom. Then again level E3 to E2 there are spontaneous emission are there. Again E2 to E1 level the excitation by collision with walls. Again this the excitation atoms again down energy level to excited to higher energy level. These processes are circular, that's why output is continuous. Neon atoms being heavy could not be pumped up efficiently without helium atom. Electrons transfer kinetic energy to helium atom through inelastic collision. Transfer energy to neon atoms through collision. Role of helium atoms is to excite neon atoms and cause probability to transfer energy from helium neon is more, 10 helium per 1 neon atom. Reverse probability that neon helium is extremely small. Then E4 and E6 level in neon metastables are there, then accumulation of atoms. In this 4 energy level population inversion between E6 to E5 and E3 levels, and E4 to E3 levels lasing takes place and light is produced corresponding to E6 to E5 and E6 to E3 and E4 to E3. Then there are 3 different population inversions are there, then we have to output there are 3 different values. If population is between E6 to E3 transition, then laser beam of red color at 632.8 nanometer. If E4 to E3 transitions are there, laser beam at wavelength 1150 nanometer, and E6 to E5 transition laser beam in higher region of 3390 nanometers. In reality, several laser transition is near equal to 150 possibles. However, only 3 are dominant transition. Neon atoms in level E3 decay rapidly to E2. Accumulation may take place unless removed by some means. Then major applications as red light at 632.8 nanometer, resonator mirrors coated with multi-layer dielectric coating, and helium neon application of helium neon lasers are simple, less expensive, practical, high quality beam. And applications, the helium neon laser is used in laboratories, interferometry, laser printing, barcode reader, scanner, surface testing, surveying and alignment. This is all about helium neon laser. The helium neon laser is the part of gas laser. I hope you have understood this helium neon laser. Thank you.